Hello?
Why'd you call me?
What are you doing?
Why'd you call me?
What are you doing?
I was showering. Why'd you call me?
Because someone sent me a photo of you doing a handstand.
Motherfucking boy, motherfucking boy, these niggas don't owe me nothing, I don't owe you any shit. These niggas mad with me, why? Because I'm a better fit.
Where are you?
First of all, Selma, if I decide to do a headstand in the personal confines of my shower, what?
You're doing a headstand in a shower.
My love, what does that have anything to do with you?
Are you insane? In the shower.
I'm waiting.
In the shower.
In my shower.
I don't care.
I'm acrobatic. You didn't even ask me.
Are you trying to break your neck?
You didn't even ask me if I'm acrobatic.
I know you're not.